Hey guys, quick piggyback post. So weight does not always weigh what it weighs when you buy it. And so you want to make sure if that's really important to you, you want to buy calibrated weights. And just to prove this point, both of these guys are supposed to be 5 kilograms, which is like 11 pounds and some change. But if I flip this guy over, it's smooth on the back, which means it might be 5 kilograms, it might be more, it might be less. There's a plus or minus error. The higher quality stuff is probably going to be closer to the actual weight. Lower quality weights are probably going to be more or less. Now over here, this one, if I flip it over, you'll see little tags. That means that this guy is calibrated. So calibrated means that they insert little weights in these little stickies to make sure that the weight equals up to being 5 kilograms. So this weight actually weighs 5 kilograms. This weight might weigh more or less of 5 kilograms. And so that's the difference between buying calibrated weight and non-calibrated weight. Hope that helps you. Same thing when you look at bumpers. Bumpers are a little bit different, but they make sure the weight is calibrated into a certain percentage.